नमस्ते, मैं हूँ पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बात करना चाहती हूँ अबाउट द डिवोर्स केसेस दैट हैज़ come into limelight because two women have filed divorce cases against their husband. One is Shalini Talwar. She has filed a divorce case against Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Now, Yo-Yo Honey Singh has already been suffering from a very colorful past where he was into rehab. His career went through a downfall when apparently he was slapped by Shah Rukh Khan as per media sources. Now, I don't know what is the truth because media obviously बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बहुत खबरें छापती है, बट शालिनी तलवार का जो डिवोर्स केस का सबमिशन है उसमें उन्होंने एलेज किया है कि हनी सिंह यूज टू बीट हर अप, शी यूज टू बी वर्बली अब्यूज्ड इन हर एंटायर मैरिज. शादी के बाद जब उनके फोटोग्राफ्स वायरल हो गए, देन हनी सिंह बीट हर अप बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज ही डिड नॉट वांट द पब्लिक टू नो दैट ही वाज मैरिड, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम ही वाज रियली गेटिंग फेमस. अपेरेंटली मी टू मूवमेंट में हनी सिंह ने अपनी वाइफ को कहा कि ही हैड casual sex with a lot of girls and he was scared that somebody might point fingers at him and drag him into the Me Too controversy. Shalini ने ये भी कहा है that her father-in-law misbehaved with her and the mother-in-law was also not nice. अब वो एलिमनी में एक रकम मांग रही है and she is wanting to go to the court to get her rights. यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, शालिनी, whatever you've gone through, if you've gone through what you are saying, then it's really really sad and disappointing that you had to go through so many years of torture. मेरी आपसे सलाह यही है, डोंट गेट ब्रेन वॉश्ड एंड फाइल एनी फॉल्स एलिगेशन अगेंस्ट योर हस्बैंड, बिकॉज वो फॉल्स एलिगेशन अगर आप किसी के कहने पर करते हैं तो आपका सारा सच खराब हो जाता है. सो स्टिक टू योर फैक्ट्स, स्टिक टू योर ट्रुथ एंड फाइट योर ओन बैटल. इट इज नेवर लेट टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम अ रॉन्ग अब्यूजिव मैरिज. दूसरी तरफ देयर इज आरजू गोवित्रिकर, अदिति गोवित्रिकर's sister. She has been married to a Hindu man, and these are men who are not belonging to the Muslim community, but these are men who have been afflicting verbal and domestic violence and abuse over their wives as per the claims made by the wives. Arzu Govitrikar said that she suffered from infidelity, she suffered from verbal abuse, domestic abuse, and also she said the husband called her a maid. Now, being called a maid is not a casteist abuse as claimed by certain media sources, as claimed by Arzu Govitrikar, क्योंकि यहाँ पर maids are again a strong belt of Indian women जो poor families को belong करती हैं, and they run their houses by working in other houses because their husbands are not capable enough to run the houses. I have seen in Maharashtra also lot of maids are married to men who are alcoholics and वो घर में बैठते हैं, and these ladies run the house, bring up their children, send the children to schools, colleges, and they are strong women. So being called a maid is not a caste abuse as per my thought process, but I don't know the law. तो ये कहकर मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ, I am wishing the ladies strength to fight their battles, but मेरी advice इनको यही है, please don't put even a single shred of a false allegation in your case against your husband because that will spoil and harm your entire truth. Don't get brainwashed. If you have decided to fight for your independence and fight for your right, fight for it, go for it, but stick to the facts, stick to the truth, because सत्य परेशान हो सकता है पराजित नहीं. सत्यमेव जयते. नमस्ते, जय हिंद.